Select DataFrame rows between two dates. I am creating a DataFrame from a CSV as follows. The DataFrame has a date column. Is there a way to create a new DataFrame, or just overwrite the existing one, which only contains rows with date values that fall within a specified date range or between two specified date values?
There are two possible solutions. Use a Boolean mask, then use df.lockMask. Set the date column as a datetime index, then use df_start_date column and_date. Using a Boolean mask. Ensure dfDate is a series with dtype datetime 64 and s. Make a Boolean mask. Start_date and end_date can be datetime.datetimes, np.datetime64s, pd.timestamps, or even datetime strings. Select the sub-data frame. Or reassign to df. For example, yields using a datetime index. If you are going to do a lot of selections by date, it may be quicker to set the date column as the index first. Then you can select rows by date using df.lockStart_date column and_date. Yields While Python lists indexing, for example sec_start column end, includes start but not end. In contrast, pandas df.lockStart_date column and_date includes both endpoints in the result if they are in the index. Neither start_date nor end_date has to be in the index, however. Also note that pd.read_CSV has a parse_dates parameter which you could use to parse the date column as datetime 64s. Thus, if you used parse_dates, you would not need to use dfDate equals pd.to_datetime dfDate.
I feel the best option will be to use the direct checks rather than using lock function. It works for me. Major issue with lock function with a slice is that the limits should be present in the actual values, if not this will result in key error.
You can also use between.
You can use the isHeen method on the date column like so df_date, .isHeen pd.date_range start_date, end_date. Note, this only works with dates, as the question asks, and not timestamps. Example. Which gives
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.